Hey everyone, is your car shifting roughly or stuck in limp mode? You scanned your car with an obd2 tool and found code P0847, transmission fluid pressure sensor switch B circuit low. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious transmission damage and expensive repairs. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0847 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, the exact sensor location for an easy fix. Let's get started. What is P0847? The P0847 trouble code is triggered when the Transmission Control Module (TCM) detects a low voltage signal from the Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor (TFP B). This sensor is crucial for regulating hydraulic pressure inside the transmission and ensuring smooth gear shifts. If it fails, you'll likely face shifting issues, overheating, or even transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0847: hard or delayed shifting, transmission slipping or failing to engage gears, limp mode activation, poor acceleration and fuel efficiency, overheating transmission, check engine light, cell, or transmission warning light. Now let's locate the sensor and key components to diagnose and fix this issue. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0847, you need to inspect the following components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFP B. Location: mounted on the transmission body near the valve body or inside the transmission pan. Function: measures hydraulic pressure and sends data to the TCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location: usually attached to the transmission case or in the engine bay. Function: controls gear shifting based on sensor data. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: typically found in the engine bay, near the firewall or fuse box. Function: works with the TCM to manage transmission operation. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Location: runs between the TFPS, TCM and PCM, usually attached to the transmission body. Function: transmits electrical signals for sensor operation. Transmission fluid and filter. Location: inside the transmission pan. Function: ensures proper hydraulic pressure and sensor readings. Common causes of P0847: faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. A malfunctioning sensor may send incorrect signals. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, dirty or incorrect fluid can disrupt pressure readings. Damaged or corroded wiring and connectors. Electrical faults can cause incorrect voltage signals. Defective transmission control module, TCM. A faulty TCM may misinterpret sensor data. Internal transmission issues, worn clutch packs, valve body issues or hydraulic blockages can affect fluid pressure. How to fix P0847? Step 1. Check transmission fluid level and condition. If it's low or dirty, replace it with the correct ATF. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Use a multimeter to test voltage output and replace if faulty. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wires and repair as needed. Step 4. Scan for additional transmission codes. Other codes may indicate further issues in the system. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the error code and drive the car to check if the issue persists. Final words: the P0847 trouble code can lead to serious transmission problems, but with a quick inspection of the sensor, fluid, and wiring, you can fix it before it turns into a costly repair. Watch these related videos next. P0560 system voltage malfunction, P0561 system voltage unstable. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.